Greetings, River Lady here. It is an absolutely spectacular day on the Concord River. I have the birds singing, I have my ducks swimming, I have a pair of geese that are visiting. I did have a pair of swans, but someone in the town shot one of the swans. I don't know why people have to be jerks. Periodically, the lone swan swims by. But okay, so it's coming to the end of March, and it's time to uncover my plants. And I'm going to start with my hydrangeas and then move on to my roses and phlox. This video will just take care of my hydrangeas. It'll be too long if I do all my plants. And I am going to start with my baby right here, my everlasting garnet. In the hopes of keeping this video from being too long, I'm going to speed up the removal of the salt marsh hay, and then I'll slow it down for when I check what's going on underneath. Music maestro. So that takes care of all the salt marsh hay. This is one of the hydrangeas that I had cut down back during the winter. And let's see what's happening, if I've got any growth. I've got something going on there. Yep, I've got a little bit of bud there. And right down in there I have some new growth coming up. And I have there. Right there, I have some new growth. All right, so she is awake. It's still a little early for hydrangeas. I will wait a few weeks and then I will do whatever pruning needs to be done. All right, let's move on to my big daddy. Now let's see what's going on the stems. Anything yet? You awake yet, baby? So we're just getting some growth down at the base on the new growth, which is okay because it means that they made it through the winter and they're coming awake. All right, let's move on to my bloomstruck. And let's see what she has happening. Beautiful new bud there on the old wood, another one. I love her buds. They're a gorgeous purple. So there's buds on the old wood. I have a stem that has rooted itself so I can get a new plant from this little lady. All right, what should I do next? Let's do my tuxedo next. Okay, and yep. She's awake, or he's awake. It's awake. Buds, buds, buds on the old wood. Yay, buds on the old wood. There's a bud in there. I see a bud. I see a bud right there. Yay, she's awake. Next, I'm going to do my blushing bride, which is an endless summer variety. Coming in close, yes, yes, yes. We have growth there. Oh, I hope you bloom so much for me this summer. Right there on the old wood, and there on the old wood, and there. I love seeing their little shiny faces peeking up at me, saying, hello, I'm awake. All right, now let's go check out my Endless Summer original. We have growth right there. Zoom in right next to that feather. There we go. And we have growth back there. This is the most exciting time of year, receiving all these great gifts. I think I see, oh, look at that. Look at that. Look. Look, look, look. Right there. Let's zoom in. Yay! That's coming up from the new wood. All right. Endless Summer Original. Check. Let's do Summer Crush. And are you going to do anything for me, baby? Did you come back? Did you come back? It's hard to tell. Yep. See, I have some. I go by the shininess. As the buds on the old wood are waking up, they get a shininess to them, and I apologize if this is out of focus. So she's awake. I don't see any growth coming up from the new wood, but that's okay. Let's move and check out one that I propagated and see if it came back. This is a piece that I propagated from a neighbor's plant, and bingo! Come around, you can see the green. So yep, he took. All right, let's check this one. This is a plant that I had propagated 2 years ago. So he did nothing last year, just grew. So let's see if he's coming back. And he did! Yay! Yay, yay! Look at all the green! Look at all the green! I love it! I love all the green! I love it! Okay, let's check a few more and then I'll let you go because this video is getting way too long. I cheated a few days ago. I actually cleared away my Nico Blue. And sure enough, he's come back. Nico Blue, yay! All right, last plant. This is my twist and shout that is going to get transplanted. It was one of the ones that I cut back in the winter time. So I'm going to clear all this debris away, see if she survived. Last clearing away, I promise, and then I'll do the rest on my own, because I'm sure by now you're terribly bored. I see that. Where is it? There it is, right there. My twist and shout is awake. Not sure, I don't see any growth on the old wood, but she's getting transplanted. She's actually going to get split right down the middle. When you cut hydrangeas back like this, you can see the sections, and it's so easy then to split them. You just need a spade or a pitchfork right there in the middle where the section is, and separate that plant and take off the pieces. And then replant them someplace else or give them to your friends. Okay, that's it for me. I will leave you with a view of my river and my new flag. Life is better on the river. I bought a flag like this when I first moved in here, and someone came on my property and stole the flag and a little flag holder. I ordered myself a new flag over this winter. What were we? We were in lockdown. All right, this is River Lady saying thank you for taking this little tour with me. I am going to go and finish my other hydrangeas. Then when the weather warms up a little in a couple of weeks, I will be feeding them and giving them their compost. And by then my new hydrangeas will have come, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with my new gardens. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful early spring. Bye.